Garage restoration kit. Okay, put that over here. Look at this. Oh, it's nasty. On this side, I'm gonna clear that up, wipe down the area, and tape it off. All right, glass cleaner. Get a bucket of water. This is for the interim use while we sand. Sounds good. Alright, let's just go at it. Alright. Next. 3,000 grit. Okay. Alright, so we got our plastic X here. Get our drill. Alright. Wipe all this off. Headlight coating. Here's our applicator. Should be good. Just like that. There we have it. Big difference. Oh yeah, look at that. It's a huge difference. That is crazy. Wow, I like it. Amazing. All right, let's do the other side. All right, so that is how we use the meguiar's headlight restorer on a Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT. Pretty simple. Process took about, what, 45 minutes? And we're back in the running. The reason why we did it is because the lenses, headlights, and the fog lights were pretty much sandblasted from driving in the winter. Now we're back up. If you wanted to, you could do another session, but we're gonna let this thing dry for a cure for 24 hours, as I mentioned, and then maybe in 2 weeks we'll do it again. But this is how you do it. And if you wanted to do it again, well, go ahead. Anyways, thanks for watching, and watch another video. Here's another one. All right, peace.